How to transfer Instagram from old device. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Instagram on your old device. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now simply scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on logout. Now click on save or not now as you wish. Also let me remind you that this process is not necessary. Now once you log out, simply go back to the home screen. Now open up Instagram on a new device. Now on the new device, enter your email address. Now enter your password. Now tap on login once you're done. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.